Imagine waking up to a world that has suddenly gone silent. No notification ping, no morning news scroll, just the weight of a useless glass brick in your hand. This is the great disconnect. In the first hour, we think it's a glitch. We toggle the Wi-Fi, we restart the router, we wait, but the signals don't come back. The invisible grid that sustains our reality has gone cold. No WhatsApp, no YouTube, no Google, no banking apps. At first you think it's just a local outage, but then you step outside and you see the same look on everyone's face. You realize the entire world is offline. By hour 6, the logistics begin to fail. Modern travel is a dance of data. Without it, the planes stop flying, the ships stop docking, the global pulse begins to falter. 24 hours in, and the global economy has simply vanished. Stock markets are silent. Online banking is a ghost. ATMs are just empty boxes of plastic. The financial lifeblood of the planet has been drained. Modern civilization runs on invisible wires. We've built our entire existence on a foundation of data packets. And now, those wires are silent. We are forced to remember what it's like to be truly alone. 72 hours. The just-in-time supply chain is dead. Supermarkets run out of food. Digital payment failures mean you can't even buy a gallon of water. Panic starts to seep through the silence. Fuel stations go offline. The trucks stop moving. The flow of medicine and energy is severed. We are discovering just how fragile our convenience truly was. Our gods were made of silicon. This isn't just theory. In 1859, the Carrington event, a massive solar storm, smothered the telegraph lines in sparks. If that happened today, it wouldn't just be sparks. It would be a digital apocalypse. A massive coronal mass ejection from the sun could fry our global power grid and satellite constellation in minutes. The sun, the giver of life, could also be the taker of our digital reality. Then there's cyber warfare, targeted attacks on undersea cables or the satellite grid. From Stuxnet to modern ransomware, we've already seen the opening volleys. We've built a world on glass, and it's very easy to shatter. We rely on undersea cables stretching across the abyss, on a web of satellites, and on servers hidden in mountains. They were our invisible gods. Now they are ghosts. 1 week without the internet. The digital addiction is undergoing a massive global withdrawal. Isolation sets in, but then a shift occurs. Families are forced to talk face to face. No screens to hide behind. In the silence, we start to hear each other again. Would crime increase as panic spreads? Or would humanity find a way to reconnect in the absence of signals? The question is psychological. After 1 month, the adaptation is complete. Local markets return. Physical mail is the new speed of thought. The world is smaller, slower, and perhaps more meaningful. We remember who we are without the digital mirror. The new world is local. Community is no longer a follower count, it's the person living next door. We built a world connected by signals, but we finally learned how to live without them. But here's something even more disturbing. There is a hidden switch. Governments can and have shut down the internet in specific regions to control the flow of information. It's a weapon already in use. It could happen anywhere. Stay until the end, because I'll tell you the one event that could cause this tomorrow. Comment below, how long could you survive? Like and subscribe if this makes you think. Maybe the real question isn't what would happen if the internet died, but what would happen to us? Have we lost the ability to live in the silence, or are we just waiting for the lights to go out? We are connected by signals but defined by our silence. Subscribe, because the next story is about something even more fragile than the internet. See you in the silence.